Okay, so we've just come to this job. This is a 2010 VE Commodore, and it's no keys, so all keys lost. And I've just cut the key by code to the door, and that works fine. Just having a look here. So we're going to take the immobiliser, make sure the key is the same key as the ignition. So the steering lock's on and it turns fine. So now I'm going to have to program in this key into the immobiliser. And another really common problem with these immobilisers, well, it's not really a problem, but right there's this screw, and this one was already broken, and it basically clips into there. It's round, it's got a screw hole. So this one was just sitting there at the moment. So we're going to take this back to the workshop, and we're going to program in new keys for this. So this is a 2010, and it has the processor on there, which basically has to be done manually. So that's fine, we'll get that done, and then we'll put a battery in this car and start it and see how she goes. Okay, so I just got the Commodore running. So that's the end of the video. So if you need keys made to your VE Commodore from 07 to 010, give us a call at a 10 Locksmiths, 0413 120 444. Thank you.